Yes, guys, we are on my birthday trip. I'm sure you guys have seen that content already. And guess what we are eating? Eba and
Eba and
ogbono. We brought food from our house because when it comes to food,
don't play with food though in pregnancy. By the way, this is 8 p.m.
Mhm.
and I already checked. They don't have a restaurant, so it's not like you can tell them, "Oh, I want to dine here."
Yeah.
So
And even before coming down from the car, I was already so hungry. Like I was
ordinary
drinking juice. Exactly. So I was already so hungry. So I can't really play with
and
because
she's
hunger causes.
She's eating my Eba special. Tell them about my
Yeah, so your Eba is Okubo has been making Eba for me in this pregnancy back to back. I eat it almost every day actually.
And there's a way I make my Eba that people that have eaten it have testified. Let me know if you want a tutorial on how I make it. But for real, I'm serious. I'm not joking. But then, yeah.
So we are here. We even brought some food, some other food, just to be. How will I put it? We don't just want to rely on every single time I need to eat. We need to go out or we need to buy something. I don't know.
So we brought golden morn.
Just to be sure. The things I'm used to.
We brought bowls. We almost brought Gary safe. We are bending the camera.
Okay.
Brought what else do you buy?
I brought bread. I brought moi. I brought akara.
Brought akara. So tomorrow morning by 7:30, I'm not going to be looking for food around. I'm making golden morn.
Although they said they have breakfast, so let's see.
Oh yeah, they have breakfast. Okay, hopefully.
But at least we'll make that golden morn first.
We're not going to try what they have.
Before we go downstairs to try what they have. It's not easy.
A hungry pregnant woman is trouble. You don't want that.
You don't want that. So.
And when my wife is hungry and I don't get her food on time, when the food is coming, trouble has happened because her stomach is troubled. Then the food troubles her more.
Yeah, because I've already gotten hungry. So
by the time I even vexed her, why are you telling me you're hungry? When you are hungry, you want to kill me.
Anyway, so let's just wrap this up on the.
These are behind the scenes of life, of true life story.
Yes. So. All right, guys. What can I do you for?
Sister Bray, what are you eating? Bread and moi.
Yeah.
This is what pregnancy can do to you.
This is normal food
I mean,
I could eat.
You've not been eating moi until you got pregnant.
Whatever.
How's it going?
Yeah.
You enjoying yourself?
Mm-hmm.
I say hi to the fam.
Hi guys.
I'm
feeling a little somehow, but I think it was because I was getting a bit hungry. Now that I'm eating, I'm feeling a bit better. Yeah, so this is.
She was the bum.
It's my gown, eh? After adjusting it all today. Yeah.
Whew.
This is our bump.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome stuff. Anyway.
So.
Bele, I'll give me some money now.
So I take small.
That's amazing. Normally, no, they give me.
I used to give you now.
Normally, no, they give me.
Hey, God.
I feel like this is like close to the last one. Sexy break. Yeah, give us both. Life in Niagara Falls, baby. How you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, guys. Good morning on pregnancy BTS. Guys, I even forgot to gist you yesterday. Yesterday was something else. Although I feel like yesterday was was the strongest day of my pregnancy that I've ever experienced.
Me too.
Because I was able to like walk. In fact, I walked around for like an hour. I mean, I was checking myself, like, okay, am I feeling okay? Am I feeling good? How am I feeling? I was constantly evaluating it, and I was okay. So at some point, if the place has this hill, so going down is easy, but coming back up is like.
Is Clifford? Is it Clifford or Clifford?
Clifton
Hill in Niagara. So if you know it, you know that it's like a whole slope down, and then you climb all the way back.
Yeah, but then there were a lot of fun attractions. It was really fun. I mean, I eventually ended up. I think I wanted KFC, But then we eventually ended up at an Italian restaurant thanks to this man.
Hey, because the first KFC we went, after trekking for minutes, we got there and realized that they no longer were there, and it was a different store. They had not removed their store from Google.
Yeah. So we didn't find it, and then we wanted to now go and get another KFC somewhere. So we're trekking. Not for too long, but we trekked for like 10 minutes. But before we trekked up to that 10 minutes, we saw an Italian store, Italian restaurant along the way. That one too. They had queue. There was like a wait time of like 20 to 25 minutes. We waited, entered. That was I saw their menu. I saw Alfredo. Fito saying Alfredo. Okay, now I was like, Alfredo, it's nice. I love it. Put chicken. My husband ordered one other one that had this creamy, just like the Alfredo, it had this creamy sauce. As I put the first one, bear in mind, I was actually already hungry and tired. I put the first spoon in my mouth. I almost spat it out because it just did not go. I instantly got sad.
Like the sadness on your face
because
was obvious.
I was literally stuck in between. Oh my god, what do I then eat? I'm hungry. This is not going. What do I do? I'm hungry. What then do I eat?
Yeah, and it took time for them to even bring the food.
I was like, oh my god, what am I going to do? So the waitress, my mother just called the waitress. My mother was like, what do you want to eat now?
Like, what do you want to eat?
Blank.
If you had said you wanted that same KFC, I would have told them, pack this food, we're leaving. I'm serious.
And I said, okay. And right in that instant, when the waitress was there, standing, waiting for me, my husband was waiting for me. What do you want to eat? Like, what?
Anything else?
Anything else? Do you think there's anything else that you think would go? I feel like it was just the Holy Spirit that just dropped that idea in my heart. Because it was just like, try spaghetti and tomato sauce. I was like, okay, do you have like spaghetti and tomato sauce? Because that was going to look very simple. Spaghetti, tomato sauce, that looks like something that should go, you know. And then she was like, oh, do you want meatballs? I said, yeah, add meatballs. So that was how I add spaghetti.
When you took the first, tell them what happened when you took the first.
And then when I took the first spoon, I literally, you know, when you're very hungry and then you taste a very delicious meal. No, there's this sensation you get right here.
At the bottom of your neck.
At the back of your tongue, you just like you salivate sort of. That was exactly what happened. I was like, yes. I ate that food finish. I finished it. I was so, and that was how my mood switched. Like I just got happy. I was just okay. I was like, God, that was the funniest thing.
But the experience from my side was exciting because we were walking around. She wasn't feeling tired. Maybe one time she would just rest. When we were climbing the Clifton Hill, she would just rest a little bit. But she was fine. She was solid. I was like, God. It was feeling so good. Like, finally. You know, because my wife, once she's hungry, she's sick. And if she eats after being extremely hungry, the food will make her sick.
Yeah.
Once she goes through stress, she's sick. So to see her go through the whole day without feeling that way it made my day. It really made my day.
Thank God for everything.
Thank God.
Yeah, so guys,
that's a little update
on the BTS pregnancy version. BTS of our journey pregnancy version. Alright guys, we're about to go to the zoo now.
Yeah.
So I'm also going to do some walking, but I'm sure I'll be fine.
That's good. I'm happy to hear that.
Yeah, but I just need to eat. I need to eat.
Yeah.
Actually, I think I will eat before I then go out.
Yeah, we can do it.
Alright guys. Bye.